chưa? Được chưa? Hello everyone. Today I will present my lesson plan to teach the lesson the law of the conservation of the momentum in the context of inelastic motion. And today I assume that my students are quite good at physics and they are familiar with the inquiry-based learning and some equipment is apparatus. So in the previous lesson, they have already learned about the conservation of the momentum through the theoretical approach. So it states that the total momentum of a closed system does not change. And in this lesson, I expected my student can achieve some goal. Firstly, I hope my student can understand and remember this law. And the second thing, I hope that my student can have some inquiry skill, like formulating the expectation that can be checked by experiment, the design skill, and they can compare the results with the initial hypothesis or consequent. Okay, to start my lesson, I will illustrate the problem by give them a problematic situation that they find necessary to verify the detail of this situation. I've shown in my lesson plan. You can read it. And I will pose a question that it is true if the momentum of the two masses are conserved after collision. So I will give them a real situation by considering the inelastic collision that we have M1, we have V1, and M2 are at rest. And after collisions, they stick together. And the velocity of this system is V prime. Okay. So to verify this law, I would like them to give some consequence. So I hope that my student can give some conceptual design like this. We have P1, V prime. Okay, maybe my student will stop by this step and I will let them design an experiment setup, but following my questions. So see the formula, I will ask them what the quantities they need to measure and how to measure them, and what it change, what keep constant. So they easily to indicate that they can measure M1 and M2 by scale, and V prime and V1 by measure the distance and the time duration. So in this case, I will have them keep as constant to make this formula easy to approach. So finally the formula should be like this. Okay, so I conclude that here is the consequence they need to check. And I sketched the experiment for them that we have using air track. We have an air track like this to propagate. So we have a bar which stick to and on and cross the photo gate. So it as is the length of the bar, we try to pull the photo gate and it's here, and we can eliminate it. And I also give them a table that will need to fill